it's Denisha. Welcome back to McPherce Productions, and today I have a special guest, my friend Jay.
Yes, this is your girl BellaJae. How you doing? And thank you so much for having me on your show.
So today I want to introduce Jay because Jay is the brand spanking new owner of a PE800, and she has had some brother machines in the past, but only sewing machines. So she's going to be getting into the brother embroidery side. So a little bit about Jay. She used to work for Viking, so she primarily used Viking single needle machines, and so this is the first time that she's foraying into brother single needle machines. So as you know, my machines, I have two brother single needle machines and one 10 needle machine, and so I'm really been deeply into the brother family, and now she's getting into it too. So please comment below on the type of machine that you have or the type of machine that you're interested in, and I will be linking Jay's channel, BellaJae Creates, in the description box below, and make sure to check out her channel. Subscribe, because she is a riot. Like, she is keeping it real all the time, and I just love her energy, and I know you'll love her energy too.
So I just want to apologize, because as you see, this is not her home. She's in my home. So the background, I keep it transparent to all my guppies, all my subscribers. I don't hide this. I don't fake a front, and I'm not gonna put on a facade or do something so fake. And how you see my energy is who I am 24/7. If I am not this lit up, there's something wrong, and you got to figure out what I'm doing. So yes, I am new to the brother. PE800 is right back here. I have yet to unbox it. I've had it for over 2 weeks now. But I'm waiting for her to come back so we could do this together, because I want her to witness my reaction as well as you guys and my guppy squad. So just to let you know, guppy means any YouTuber under the 1K mark. Now, even if you do blow it up and you become the big kahuna, you still was a little guppy. This is a big ocean of a world. And the bait fish, we're like bait fish, but look up guppies. They are some amazing, beautiful fish, and I can't wait to digitize one and have a patch for my guppy squad. But, you know, she's just amazing. Like, thank you, Denisha. I love your work. I met her at my job, and I love her excitement. And when she embroidery just takes you to a whole new realm. I was doing hand embroidery, but machine embroidery itself, to sit there and watch it and then change the colors, change the threads, it's a whole new spectrum, and it's something that we both want you to definitely partake on. We want to introduce you into that realm and bring you, we want you to feel the joy that we feel when you create something. You're like, oh, it's just gorgeous, and everybody wants it. And then you're gonna have people saying, can I have that? How much, please? How many? I need 5 of them. You're gonna get that.
So exciting things that we want to showcase on both of our channels. She has the PE800 and I have the NS1750D. So we're going to do a battle of the machines. So it's going to be her machine versus my machine. Hers is probably going to whoop because hers is a 5x7 when mine's a 4x4. But we're going to do a test based on the same design. So it's going to be the same file, and see which one has the better stitch out. And so we're going to do all things equal. So it'll be brand new needles, everything like that. So there's no discrepancy inside in terms of the actual stitch out. Everything will be fair. It'll be all the same size. And so we'll be doing some things here that we'll be showcasing for you. And it's going to be super fun. And we want you guys to take part. Also, I've done a couple of digitizing designs that I'm going to share with you guys for free. So I want to do a stitch with us. So basically it will be a design that will be available for you for free, and you'll be able to stitch out the design with us as we do it on my machine and her machine. So we really want to make this accessible for people. Part of the reason why Jay got her PE800 is because she said that a single needle is accessible for most people. Not a lot of people actually have multi-needle machines, and so we want to showcase what you can do with a single needle And it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be able to go out and buy a $10,000 machine. So we want to make it so that when you come to channels like ours, that you will learn, but you'll have fun with us, because we're all about having fun. And I mean, we have some crazy ideas, and it's funny that we're here today because Jay and I will be texting in the middle of the night like, oh my God, did you see that design? I want to flip this design. Oh, Jay wants to do a New Yorican hat, and I was like, oh, we should do that 3D puff. And there's so many different things that we feed off each other's energy. And so one thing I can tell you about your community of people that are crafters, find you someone or some ones that are interested in some of the same things as you are, because the energy that comes from you guys sharing ideas, perfect.
So I showed her about Embroidery Panda, and then I just came up with another site that came on, I believe Machine Embroidery for Beginners is a Facebook group, and someone posted this design. I think it was a latte or something, and when I clicked on the link to go to where it was at, there was more free designs. So if the one thing about the crafting realm, you will always find freebies everywhere, and that's one thing we're going to bring to you: low cost ways to get your designs and to learn how to work with them, because Embroidery Panda was like 35 cents.
Yes, so they have 35 cents deals, and
she got mad at me with that one. She was like,
because 35 cents adds up, guys, especially when you have 10 or 20 designs, and their designs are so dope. Like, when I say dope, it's dope.
I have purchased a lot of things off of Etsy, so I said she can definitely share with them, because they have the different PES, XXX, VP3, DST. So I'm not going to just hoard it, I'm gonna share it. She does a lot more embroidery than I do. I kind of took a hiatus, not working with my EM1010, which is what you see in back of me right here. It's covered. I have 2 cats. We don't want them messing with the needles. I would really, and the threads, you know, cats and yarn and threads. No. But we definitely will bring them more stuff, because there's a lot of low cost ways and outlets you can get your designs. And we could definitely recommend some other areas where you can learn how to digitize, because Hatch is an amazing software to play with, and you could download it for 30 days without even using your credit card and learn how to digitize your own work and learn how to really just get involved with it, because embroidery is not just embroidery. You have the person who's digitizing. Mm-hmm. You have maybe one person that likes to sew, one person that likes to be in behind the camera. So there's so many. It's not just one spectrum. It's so big. It's just like a blooming flower.
So the great thing about this is that if you stay tuned, we're going to have a series of different videos that you'll be able to watch between our thrifting adventures, because we're actually going to do a thrifting adventure where we go out and find some items to embroider on. So remember some of my videos. I will link the other video that I'm talking about now below, but the video on where to find inexpensive embroidery blanks. So we're going to actually take you to the store with us as we go on a thrifting adventure and see what we can find. I think we're going to do a challenge. How about what we can find for under $50? How many items we can get for under $50
that we could upcycle and repurpose.
Absolutely. So this is going to be a great adventure, and we want to show you exactly what we find and what designs that we throw on it. And follow us on Instagram, because we post a lot of the work that we do on Instagram. So that will also be linked below. If you go on to Instagram, you can actually see some of the stitch outs, because sometimes I'll throw up a video on a reel or something that will show you some of the work that I'm working on today and on a regular basis. So go ahead and follow us on Instagram, because you'll see a lot more interaction there, and we definitely do respond back to all of our comments. So feel free to make some comments on some of the videos that you see up there.
Definitely do that. And with that being said, see y'all next time. When we come back, we're not going to tell you. You just got to stay tuned. So make sure you subscribe. Hit the like and the subscribe button, the bell notification, so that you can be kept abreast of her shenanigans as well as mine. My link will be below. So
okay, and remember guys, stay fierce.